Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So now we are going to discuss about the directory hierarchy in Unix. So this is the structure of the file system hierarchy in Unix. The topmost is root. All the files are referencing with the help of root. So root is indicating with slash. And so these are the different directories available in the root. In Unix, all related files are grouped into a single group. So for example, all the binary files stored in one directory and the directory name as bin, and all the temporary files are stored in temp directory. All the device files are stored in div directory. All the configuration files are stored in etc directory, and all the system files that are executing automatically, those type of files are stored in sbin. The user directory is the home directory to the all the users. So var means the var directory is store all the files related to vary. For example, mail sending. So these type of files are stored in the var directory. The parent child relationship. So parent child relationship means, so the bin is the child. For this bin, so what is the parent? Root is the parent. These symbols representing the file and these symbols representing the directories. All these are the directories and these are the files. So this is also directory. So this is the file, directory. So this is the child parent relationship. And so directories and files of same name. For example, I want to create a file name here. So this is the another folder. For example, this is my folder Varada. In this, I want to create one folder. The folder name is dir1. In this folder, I want to create a folder. The folder name is sample, and I want to create another file sample. So this is the file. Let us assume. So this is not allowed in Unix. So directories and files of same name within the same directory is not allowed in Unix. And contents of different directories. So this is the bin directory. It stores all the binary files, all the temporary files stored in the temp, all the device files, all the configuration files, all the binary files executed automatically when the system is stored, those files stored in sbin. All the user directories are stored in the user, and all the variable files are stored in the var directory. This is about the directory hierarchy. If you observe that this is in the tree form. So tree form is nothing but this is the root. In this root, all these are the directories. In these directories, so these are the files and directories. So that means it's a tree structure. So now we see the file hierarchy. So now present working directory is home Varada. I moved to root. So my present working directory is changed to root. Okay, now we see the hierarchy. So this is the reference point for to organize the files. In this we can check the list of files. These are the files. So now we see the bin, cd bin. We can see the files. So these are the files available in this bin directory. Now we see the home directory, cd home. Now we see the files available in this home. So Varada is one of the user. Now I changed to this directory. So now these are the files available in this Varada directory. So this is the hierarchy. So for example, if you know that here the sample.txt, the sample.txt is root, home, Varada, sample.txt. So that is the hierarchy. It's a tree structure.